front of me is Samsung Galaxy M17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Recorder app located in Samsung folder, this one, and hit allow in all available pop-ups. When you finished, click on those three lines on the left and select gear icon at the top to adjust all of those options however you wish. Once you're ready, go back and start recording thanks to the red button. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, click on this one at the top on the right. To listen to it right away, you can pause it, swipe it on the track, and click on play button. As you can see, recording is... And to end it and save it, click on the square one. If you want to overwrite anything you recorded, just pick a place on the track, let's go with this one, and tap on red button. Then you will see this red section. Now let's finish it thanks to this icon of a square, name it, and hit save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. Now click on it to listen to it. Select those options to manage it, like skip silences, repeat, and speed. You can also move it 1 second each way. Or click on those three dots at the top right corner and use those options, like this scissor icon. Thanks to it, you can edit your recording. I will pick this section, click on scissors again to delete it, and hit save to save my new recording. I will go with save as new one. Now, if you want to manage your recordings on the list, hold one and use all of those options at the bottom. Let's go with renaming this one and deleting the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!